Hi, I'm just going to go through application of some electrodes on the forearm flexors to use as functional electrical stimulation with an orthotic, and this is in response to questions I have received this week for those that haven't got a Saebo glove and how they want to use an orthotic with electrical stimulation. And this is following the Disability and Rehabilitation Journal. And the title of that was Evaluation of a Functional Hand Orthosis Combined with Electrical Stimulation Adjunct to Arm-Hand Rehabilitation in Subacute Stroke Patients with a Severely to Moderately Affected Hand Function. And the authors were Frank et al. So here is our electrodes. Open them up. Take two, insert, and then the best way to do it is, so if you're going to go, what you want to do is to find the bulk of your flexors. So here's my forearm, and when you squeeze you'll feel the bulk here, so that's literally where you want your two pads. So peel them off, undo, going to stick in one there, undo the other one, and stick in there, so you're in line. That's going down to my flexors. Here's my SaeboFlex. What I've done is I've now got on here, I've now got the rubber bands, so that I've got my weak hand, put my hand in, okay, and then do up my forearms hand strap, and I've got two forearm straps to apply. There's one, and there is the second. Okay, so there's the forearm shell, there's the hand piece. Here are my digit caps. And so traditionally you would use a spring system for a tight spastic hand, but we're using this now on an acute floppy hand. Turn, take your spring off, and now you've got the rubber band. We've got the flexion here. Let me get my thumb system in place. So remember, if we do get some active extension, we can take off the caps. And then underneath, here is my e-stim, and the other pad is underneath here. And the wires are coming out of the back here. So then we can use our electrical stimulation. We can turn on, we can then increase, and there you have the flexion of the fingers, and then this stim will stop, and then they'll go back. And that's now on a cyclic, so it'll come back on. Give it a little bit more juice, there we go. And then I can, if I want to maintain that flexion, I could then press the trigger button and it will stay on. So I'm going for my object, I can let go, click back, and then it will come back open again.